Did you know there are many ways to clean a sofa? One of the most common ways is to dry clean it. But how does it work? Let's learn more about it here. Dry cleaning uses solvents to break down and absorb oil, grease, and stains from textiles. First, the sofa is vacuumed to remove any loose debris. The fabric is then run through a specialized machine. This machine uses the solvent to remove any particles inside the fibers. After that, the solvent dissolves and leaves the sofa dry, clean, and smelling good. So what are some benefits to using this method for cleaning your sofa? Dry cleaning is best for delicate fabrics like silk, leather, and velvet. These materials would lose their shape if you use wet cleaning. The colors won't bleed with dry cleaning like they would if you washed them. This method can also get rid of oil stains that water can't dissolve. You can use dry cleaning to restore a fabric's softness. And it doesn't take long before you can use the sofa again. It's an efficient way to care for your upholstery. But dry cleaning isn't without its limitations. Some dirt and stains are still best removed by water-based methods. You also risk damaging your sofa if you apply the solvent incorrectly. It's also important that you know how to handle and dispose of solvents. Improper use can be dangerous to your health. Indeed, dry cleaning is an effective way to clean a sofa. But it's not the only way to clean a sofa thoroughly. If you need a versatile sofa cleaning service, book a session with us today.